Hello and welcome. If you love shipping container homes or you are planning on building one, on this channel we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. If you like this kind of content, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects. This stunning container home in Monticello, designed using 3 40-foot shipping containers with 2 placed side by side and sheared horizontally on the ground level, plus an additional container stacked in a cruciform to create the upper story. As you step inside the home, you'll be greeted by a small sheltered porch that leads to a minimalistic entrance lobby. The stylish open concept living area is the heart of the home, featuring a fully equipped kitchen, dining room, and lounge area. The common areas are connected to the deck by floor-to-ceiling glass doors, which allow plenty of natural light into the house and provide breathtaking views of the surrounding nature. The lounge area is furnished with a stylish set of seats, a custom tabletop, a fireplace to warm the house in winter, and a smart TV for entertainment. Next to the lounge is a dining space furnished with custom designed seats and a table big enough to sit up to 6 people. The kitchen forms the main highlight of the living room, featuring a large and up-to-date kitchen with a ample under-the-counter storage with some overhead storage shelves. The kitchen is also fitted with a kitchen island with quartz countertops, which serves as a breakfast counter. Off the lounge area is a lavish bathroom featuring a comfortable shower space with natural light from the small glass window, a toilet, and a double vanity with storage. Past the bathroom is the first bedroom, which has a unique charm. This bedroom features a queen-sized bed with a super comfy mattress, windows for natural lighting, and curtains that can be drawn to allow for privacy when necessary. A narrow spiral staircase leads you to the second floor, which has a very versatile layout with a large flexible space perfect for a second living room or home office. The second floor is fitted with a double glass door that opens to the outside so that you can enjoy the outdoors on your rooftop terrace with lounge chairs and a soaking tub. The master bedroom features a comfortable double bed with soft beddings and ample pillows and a large window for ventilation and daylighting. The second bedroom on the opposite end features a cozy double bed. The 2 bedrooms share a luxurious full bathroom that features a fully tiled shower cubicle, a toilet, a modern wash hand basin, and a mirror to amplify the bathroom space. Outside, the patio is outfitted with an outdoor kitchen with both gas and charcoal grills, a wood-fired pizza oven, a fire pit, and some alfresco dining and lounging. As a sustainable design statement, the grooves of the raw shipping container walls are visible throughout the exterior, bringing out the industrial charm of the design. This amazing house is available as a rental. Feel free to check it out using the link in the description below. If you like this kind of content, you are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we showcase the best of shipping container living from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.